Hello and welcome to Prudent Media News. The top stories this hour. SSC exams begins today. Total 19,403 students to answer the exams. Sardina rushes to Delhi, leaving his election campaign behind. Churchill still in Delhi. Confusion in South Goa continues. Election Commission of India says the merger of Save Goa into Congress is invalid. Churchill and Reginald in trouble. Jennifer Monserrat is the new unopposed Sarpanch of Talegaon. And one-day international cricket in Goa in October, announces Dayanand Narvekar. Now the news in detail. The SSC exams of Goa Secondary and Higher Secondary Board began from today. As it was the first day of the exams, students were seen busy as well as tensed for the paper. From 23 centres, total 19,403 students are answering the exams.
SSA board exams are one of the main examination and prime step of the students towards their career. Students decide their field based on the marks of SSC results. Whole year students work hard to achieve good marks. Last moment also, they were seen studying. To avoid any untoward incident, board has taken precautionary steps. Medias were also not allowed to enter the examination hall. Students get 10 minutes to read the question paper. Along with children, their parents were also seen tensed. This is the first time when their children answer their exams in other schools. Huge crowd of parents was seen at the school who had come to drop their children. Our reporter from Panji, Rakesh Kandolkar.
South Goa's Congress candidate Francisco Sardina has suddenly rushed to Delhi in the midst of election campaign. Churchill Alemao is still sitting in Delhi trying to get ticket for his daughter Valanka. The Congress House has produced a photocopy of the B form issued to Sardina authorizing him as the official candidate. But the confusion in South Goa still continues.
South Goa is heating up with political issues. Furious over Francisco Sardina's candidature, Churchill Alemao is in Delhi to have talks with the Congress High Command. Whereas Francisco Sardina is busy completing all his legal formalities to contest the Lok Sabha elections in South. On Thursday, Prudent Media had a telephonic conversation with Churchill Alemao and he told us that B form was still not given to Sardina. But when we asked the same to Sardina, he said that he had already fulfilled all his legal formalities. Here is the evidence provided by Francis Sardin claiming his candidature for South Goa.
This Francisco Cosmos Gaetan Sardina has filed his nomination papers to the returning officer to South Goa, Marmangaon constituency, and the A form and B form were submitted along with that.
Alliance candidate in North Goa Jitendra Deshprabhu filed his nominations on Friday. Jitendra Deshprabhu is all set to fight the election against BJP, MGP, CPI and Shiv Sena candidates.
And I hereby declare Mr. Jitendra Deshprabhu to be both a primary and an active member of the Nationalist Congress Party. Thank you.
Jitendra Deshprabhu on Thursday resigned from Congress Party. He formally joined NCP before filing his nominations on Friday. Let's have a look at the scenario in Collector's office at Panji.
राष्ट्रवादी आणि काँग्रेस हे एकाच विचारधारेतील पक्ष असतात आणि जसे महाराष्ट्रात आणि इतर राज्यांनी राष्ट्रवादी आणि काँग्रेसची युती झाली त्याचप्रमाणे गोव्यात राष्ट्रवादी आणि काँग्रेसची युती झाली. दोन्ही पक्ष समविचारी असतात, धर्मनिरपेक्ष असतात आणि दोघांनी पण केलेलं असा की जे जातीयवादी आणि विघटनवादी जे पक्ष असतात या पक्षाचे समूळ उच्चाटन अशा सुंदरशा अगदी शोभितशा गोयांसून करचे ह्या खातीर दोघे पक्ष एकत्र आल्यात.
Upendra Gaonkar of Shiv Sena and Pandurang Raut of MGP also filed their nominations for Lok Sabha elections in North Goa. Here is what the respective candidates had to say.
खात्यांचे भ्रष्टाचार चालला कामांक घेवपाक म्हण किंवा आनी इतर गोश्टींनी ते समूळ नश्ट करपाक लागून आमी वावुरताले. त्या शिवाय मराठी राज्य जावपाक लागून वावुरतले आमी. मराठी राज्यभाषा ही व्हायलाच पाहिजे हा आमचा निर्धार आहे. त्याशिवाय कॅझिनो संस्कृती जी आहे जी कॅझिनो मांडवी रिव्हरमध्ये आहे ती बंद करण्यासाठी ऑफशोरसुद्धा नको यासाठी आम्ही प्रयत्न करणार आहे.
ज्या ज्या सगळ्या समस्या गोव्यामध्ये आता आलेल्या आहेत त्याचा आम्ही मगो पक्ष सगळ्यांना बरोबर घेऊन परत एकदा ही भूमी ही देवदेवताची भूमी सबंध गोमिंत्य सुसंस्कृत संस्कारित राहावे सगळा समाज शांततेने आणि निर्मळ मनाने असावा असं तरी सगळे आम्ही करणार आहोत.
In North Goa, the candidates are set to contest the Lok Sabha elections, but South Goa is still confused over Congress candidates. Aam Aadmi is still confused whether or not Francisco Sardina is their candidate or is it Velanka Alemao. Our reporters in Panji, Laukik Shilkar, Sachin Amdoskar, Yashwant Parab and Devidas Kamli.
PWD Minister Churchill Alemao and Kurtori MLA Alex Reginald Lawrence are in trouble. Election Commission of India has ruled that the merger of Save Goa Front in the Congress is invalid. This will obviously have its effect on the petition filed by the Tourism Minister Miki Pacheco against Churchill and Reginald. Now the ball is in the court of Speaker Pratap Singh Rani. The decision has come when Churchill has flexed his muscles against the local Congress leadership for not giving ticket to his daughter Velanka. The election in South Goa thus is going to be more interesting.
The Election Commission in his order has observed that there was no requisite number of members of the general body which decided to merge Save Goa Front in Congress. Therefore, the SGF Congress merger was declared invalid. However, Miki Pacheco reiterated that the decision of Election Commission has proved him right that Save Goa's merger with Congress was illegal.
I think today it's very much clear. The Election Commission announced that the merger was not according to the law of petition, and I think it's been proved, and it depends upon the speaker now. The speaker have to take act on the petition. When I filed the petition, I was very much sure, 100% sure, that my petition is purely based on what I have recommendation and within the law of petition.
However, in a telephonic conversation with Churchill Alemao, Alemao made it clear that merger of Save Goa Front with Congress is valid.
Sir, Save Goa's point Save Goa in existence. तुम्ही म्हणता मग झाल्या ते
Hello, my merger is approved. My merger is approved.
पण election commission,
you see what I mean? Hello. I'll show you the member of mine. My member, I got the member when I was from the Save Goa. We had the member only 110. Okay. Out of that 7 members out. Now they said 150. Maybe they manipulate. Who manipulate will see it. That's there's nothing. No problem.
पण election commission म्हणते the party is in exist.
Arey Baba, let it stay, man. We'll prove it. Don't worry. Don't worry.
President of Save Goa Front Antan Gaonkar said that with the decision of Election Commission, Goans have got justice.
आणि आयज चीफ इलेक्शन कमिशनान पळय दिल्या ती जस्टीस गोंयकारांची इतलो अन्याय कोण करताले तांकां सगळ्यांक कुशी दवरून खरें आनी फट कितें तेणें दाखोवन दिलां. आमी ऑलरेडी